Hi guys, today I have special video for you. This is my bad experience that I would like to share with you. You know, when I fly from United States to my old hometown, and then on the plane they give me some juice, a cup of juice. And then after that, I request them after I eat the meal with this one. And then after that, I start to request for the meal. And on the plane, it make me went to the toilet a few times, and my stomach is really hurt. I don't know what's happened between this and this. I don't know is a reaction or not. Why I went to the toilet a few times and take longer in the toilet is giving me bad stomach issue. So I would like to share with you this. I hope you're gonna watch this to see the real reaction between the meal and juice, why it give me went to the toilet. So this here we're gonna see what's gonna be happen. I think maybe like 6 minutes to see really what's happening. Okay, I put this first. Yep, it's like here. And then I gotta put a meal. Alright, let me shake. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. Don't forget to read all of this, okay? See? Because all of it may give you diarrhea like me on the plane. And a few times on the plane, it take longer in the toilet. So that's crazy sometimes. So this one you can read all of it too, right? And then maybe put a little bit. Okay, let's see together, and we take a few minutes to see what happened. Right? Wow, it seems to be like just put it. You see that? It gives like crystal, some crystal happen. God, it's giving me a lot of headache. So let's see together. If we pause longer, like 10 minutes or more than that, what's really happened? See, it really I have to do like this to make sure it's it's still like, oh my god, I don't know you guys can see clearly or not. Yep, stop. It seems like, yeah, just give. And put some more. Oh wow, it's like, that's so beautiful. We're gonna see it like a few 4 minutes more. Yeah, put some more. Yep. Let me get a smell. Yeah, it smells really good, guys. Really good smell. But I don't know is what's happening. So, yep. See that? It's like crystal happen. Oh my god. 3 minutes more to see. Okay, let's see what happened. Yeah, you can watch it and look at it. Me too. I don't know, I didn't expect that it's happened to me like that. Another thing, you know, it's like a nutrition fact. Yep. Yeah, vitamin D 2.5 milligram. Calcium, wow. It's vitamin D, calcium, potassium. Oh my god, it's good, yeah. But sugar 11. Sugar. How about this one? Don't forget to look at this, okay? So what is really happening? Let me check. You know, it's still crispy. Probably it's got out. I put in the same amount because I got a cup on the plane. I got a cup of this, and then a cup of milk, and then I drink both, and give me a stomach. I mean, like diarrhea, and I ran to the toilet and stay in the toilet longer. You know, it's unbelievable. That's my bad experience, guys. Bad experience. So, how you can read this one? You're gonna read this nutrition fact. Sodium, sugar 49. Oh, sugar is 49 gram. Oh, vitamin C, vitamin C 100%. Oh, that's unbelievable, guy. It say contain like 15% juice. I mean 15% juice. So all of this, the whole thing is not all juice. It's not all juice. It's like 85, almost like 80 or 60% is water. Yeah, they mix with water. So it sometimes give you too much too. Right? So now is done. I hope you guys be careful to drink this, because it made me went to the toilet a few times on the plane. It's a really bad thing for me. So see, it give the crystal. So when you go into your stomach, be careful about all of this, right? That's my experience that I will share with you today, and you can see the reaction or not. You can try at home, okay? See you next video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Don't forget to, I gotta make a lot of reaction between food and food that we eat every single day. Alright, thank you, and I appreciate for your subscribe. If you have any idea, comment below, okay? Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. See you next video. Bye bye.